Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the definition of pharmacovigilance, types of pharmacovigilance and objective of pharmacovigilance. In that, first one is the definition of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is a branch of healthcare and pharmaceutical science that focus on the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug related problem. Its prime goal is to ensure the safety and efficacy of the medications and medical products throughout their life cycle, from the development and the clinical trial to post-marketing surveillance. Next is the types of pharmacovigilance. First one is the spontaneous reporting. Healthcare professionals, patient or consumer voluntarily report adverse drug reaction to regulatory authorities or pharmaceutical companies. These reports serve as a valuable source of information for identifying potential safety concerns. Second one is the intensive monitoring and clinical trial. During clinical trial, an intensive monitoring program, researchers closely observe and record any adverse event or reaction associated with the use of experimental drug or medical devices. Third one is the epidemiological study. These studies involve the analysis of the large populations to identify and assess potential drug-related risks. They are particularly useful for detecting rare or long-term adverse effects. Next is the signal detection. Signal detection involves the systematic analysis of large pharmacovigilance databases to identify potential safety signals or trends related to specific drugs or medical products. These signals may warrant further investigation. Next is the risk assessment and benefit risk. In that evaluation, pharmacovigilance experts evaluate the risk and benefit of the drug and medical product to make informed regulatory decisions. This assessment helps to determine whether a product should remain on the market, receive additional warnings, or be withdrawn. Next is the objective of pharmacovigilance. In that, first one is the patient safety. The foremost objective of the pharmacovigilance is to protect the health and safety of patient and consumer by identifying and minimizing the risk associated with the use of medication and medical product. Second one is the early detection of the adverse effect. Pharmacovigilance aims to detect adverse drug reaction and other safety concerns as early as possible, even before they become a widespread issues, to prevent the harm to patient. Next is the regulatory compliance. Ensuring that pharmaceutical companies and healthcare professionals adhere to regulatory requirements for reporting adverse events and maintaining safety record is a crucial objective. Next is the improving drug quality. By continuously monitoring the safety profile drug, pharmacovigilance contributes to improving the overall quality of the pharmaceutical product, leading to safer and more effective treatments. Next is the risk-benefit assessment. Evaluating the balance between benefit and risk of medication help regulatory agency make informed decisions regarding the drug approval, labeling changes or market withdrawals. Next is the public health surveillance. Pharmacovigilance data are used for public health surveillance, allowing authorities to respond to emerging health threats such as epidemic or outbreaks of adverse reaction. In summary, pharmacovigilance plays a pivotal role in monitoring and ensuring the safety of medication and medical products. Its type includes spontaneous reporting, clinical trial, epidemiological study, signal detection, and risk assessment. And its primary objective includes safeguarding the patient health, early detection of adverse effect, regulatory compliance, improving drug quality, and conducting benefit risk assessment to guide healthcare decision. Thank you.